Welcome to this super mini lesson on quantifiers. In this presentation, you'll learn about quantifiers, what they are, how to choose the correct verb form, and why they're used. A quantifier is a word that clarifies the amount or degree of something. These are some common quantifiers that you've probably used before. All, any, both, every, each, few, less, little, many, most, much, and several. There are a few ways to form quantifiers, as you can see in these examples. Some of them, some people, and some of those people. The issue many English speakers face when using quantifiers is making the subject agree in number or quantity with the verb. For example, which is correct? Any is or any are? To answer that question, let's look at a chart with quantifiers organized by whether they are paired with singular, plural, or non-count nouns. In this chart, you see common quantifiers. They are organized by the nouns they are paired with. Notice the word each. It's in the column for singular nouns. This word, each, comes before singular nouns, so it always takes a singular verb. Now notice the highlighted text, for example, the word any. It's in all three columns. Let's return to the original question. Is it any is or any are? As you can see from this chart, both any is and any are correct. For these words, it depends on the noun they are paired with. In the example, any answer is, the word any is paired with a singular noun and the singular verb is chosen correctly. Since non-count nouns take singular verbs, the singular verb is used with the word evidence, a non-count noun. Since some quantifiers are always paired with singular, non-count, or plural nouns, you can memorize them and keep a handy cheat sheet, like the chart in this lesson, for when you have questions. Some quantifiers, such as most, many, some, and few, are useful for generalizing in research papers and discussion posts. This funny meme reveals the power of quantifiers when making generalizations. Here you see a witness not promising to tell the whole truth, but considering her options using quantifiers. While you expect the witness to tell the whole truth, what if she only wants to tell some of the truth, or a little truth, and a few lies? From this example, you can see how quantifiers are useful when you want to make a generalization, but don't want to overgeneralize. An overgeneralization is a statement that's not totally true in all cases, and it should be avoided. So just to recap, quantifiers are useful because they're more precise. They can prevent overgeneralizations, which are untrue statements. You've come to the end of this super mini lesson. How did you do? Congratulations, you can identify common quantifiers for singular, plural, and non-count nouns, match the quantifier with the correct verb for subject-verb agreement, and use quantifiers to be more precise and to avoid making overgeneralizations. Thank you for your attention.